Hi guys, I'm ready with you for another video. Friends, while making some videos for YouTube, I got one doubt, friends. Does birds have brilliant brains or not? Friends, for this I will make this video for you friends. Friends, let's start the video friends. Does birds have brilliant brains? The insult of bird brain is generally applied to scatty people who cannot hold much in their heads. But it seems this may be doing an injustice to our featherhead friends. Scientists have discovered that the common pigeon actually has an astronomically good long-term memory. In some tests, they found a single bird can memorize 1,200 pictures. Friends, this is the very interesting. In tests, they found that a single bird can memorize 1,200 pictures. Wow. The team said that despite clear physical differences between birds and other animals, there are important similarities in the way their memories work. They therefore concluded that the process that drive the way we store and retire memories appear to be largely the same throughout the animal world. Anyone who has been squirrels dig up nuts will know they have some long-term memory. But to date, no one has actually challenged different species to see just how much they can learn. The new study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science PNAS set out to do just this with two species, that is, pigeons and baboons. Each species was given tests in which they were shown a picture and then given a choice of two possible responses. For example, if shown a picture of a lamb, they might then get shown a red and green key, one of which has been randomly selected by the computer as the correct label for the image. To train them, the birds were given a food reward if they correctly picked the key that matched in the image. Baboons were given a similar test but had no push a button instead. But species were tested over the course of several years to see just how much they could remember. To the adjustment of the scientists from the Mediterranean Institute of Cognitive Neurosciences in Marseille, known as MICN, France, the pigeons were able to memorize up to 1,200 pictures and the correct response. Baboons performed much better with the some managing to remember 5,000 successfully. Despite the difference in the capacity of their memories, the researchers noted some key similarities in their reaction times and rate of forgetfulness. In our task, the two species only differed in terms of their absolute long term memory capacity, they concluded. Lead researcher Joel Fagot said the study of provided important new information on how memory systems have evolved. Birds and monkeys differ considerably in physiology and evolutionary history, he said. Despite millions of years divergent evolution, they disparate highly similar memory profiles. He concluded that the different parts species set out on hundreds of millions of years ago may have mainly changed memory's capacities but have had little impact on basic memory processes and memory dynamics. The study is not the first to shed light on some of the remarkable abilities of pigeons. Friends, Italian researchers have found they owe their sense of direction to order maps they make of areas they pass over. Last year, scientists also attempted to rate the intelligence of a whole range of birds. They found that crows, rocks, Jazz and Ravens topped the lead for bird IQ levels. Interesting. However, the New World quail was crowned the dunce of the avian world. Friends, my doubt is clarified, friends. Does birds have very intelligent brains? Intelligent and very specified and very calm and very interesting and very thankful and very some anything, friends. We can say that's very. Birds have brilliant and intelligent brains. Friends, subscribe to my channel, friends. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then only I can make more videos and you can get as notification, friends. Subscribe to my channel, friends. Subscribe.